Alright, so I got another play for us. This stock is coiling, and breakouts like this won't wait. We want to talk about this stock right here called Simpson Manufacturing Company. We think this stock is due for a breakout, but there are some things in its way that is causing this stock not to break out right now. We're going to identify that, and then we're going to add it to our simulated portfolio. All right, you guys can see it's right here. Okay, so we're about to add this stock to February, but we do have these other stocks right here that we added for January and December. And I know some of these stocks have already hidden our ultimate TP price. So we might run through these real quick and identify those and take the bag as well. So again, you guys appreciate my videos and content. Make sure you guys hit that like, share, and subscribe. Definitely subscribe here and hit that bell notification, because whenever we add these stocks to the portfolio, I want you all to know about it. All right, so now let's talk about Simpson Manufacturing Company. The reason why we're adding this to the portfolio is because it looked like the market is coiling. You can definitely tell that this stock is trading within a range for a long time, right? And seemingly, as you can see, while this stock has been coiling or trading within a range, it has also made higher lows in this space. Now this is on a weekly chart, so this consolidation of range in Simpson Manufacturing has occurred ever since like 2024. Here it is 2026. So maybe this is finally the breakout moment for this stock. Now, I think you guys can see what is causing this stock not to break out. If you don't see it, don't worry about it, because I'm going to show you all where it is. Okay, so there's like some sellers right in this area that is impeding this stock from breaking out. Okay, so that's the only thing that we really need to see get out the way before we see this stock continually break out and go a lot higher. Now, even though we may see price break this first resistance area, back here is another area that we could see an introduction of selling though. Okay, so definitely want to keep that in mind as we anticipate this stock breaking out. Okay, so we're going to make this into a sell pocket. Now, zooming out, this stock hasn't been this high at all. This is the all-time high that occurred back in, let me see, March of 2024. So this whole time that this market has just been merely consolidating was opportunity for the market participants to reaccumulate their positions, because they know that this stock will definitely continue to break out and probably past that $320 all-time high price. So that's the reason right there that we're going to add this stock to our portfolio today. This is very bullish too. I want to see though, at the conclusion of this 2-weekly price bar, if we see the market close at the high of the bar, because if it does, that's very bullish. Here's on the 3 weeks. Again, looks pretty bullish there too. Let's see how long we got before the 3 weeks ends. So we got 3 days, almost 4 days left before this 3-weekly price bar prints. And we have about the same time for the 2 weeks. So I definitely want to see the conclusion of the 2 and the 3 weekly time frame, because if the market closes up here at the high, that gives me a little bit more confident that this stock is definitely going to break out from this resistance area and continue to go up higher. Okay, so now that is done. I think we need to add a buy pocket though, so we definitely need to see where the buyers are. Okay, so this is on the weekly chart, so this is where buyers are on the weekly. Here's some more buyers down here, and there's one here. Let's see if we can get that on the like 11 hour. 750, 330. Okay. So now we're going to add the price prediction on the weekly chart though. Okay, so we're going to look at this on the weekly. Okay, and we're going to first target this sell pocket right here. So it's like 211, 212 on the low, all the way up here towards 219, 220. Now anything outside of that will be hard to determine because price has never been this high. So let's just do like 226. Okay, now I know some people may use Fibonacci retracements to try to anticipate how high price can go. more power to you. But that is uncharted territory. So we're just going to add this here. Let me get rid of. So today is what? The 9th of February? Symbol is SSD. Simpson Manufacturing. Close of the day is 196.07. That's it. So now let's go back to the last couple of months to check out the performance of those stocks. Okay, so let's go to December. Let's go to AIoT real quick. Okay, so you guys can see the weakness on that one. Synopsis. Okay, nothing for us to do there. Kite Realty, KRG. Okay, so that's very strong there. It's good to see that. The next one is Ally Financial. Okay, let's go to next month, January. Daxor. Okay, nothing to do there. Carnival. Okay, nothing there. BYD. Okay, so nothing here. Yum China Holdings, let's go there. All right, so yeah, this one did hit our ultimate TV price. 20.48%. So what was the close? 57.95. So and that occurred on, let's see, Friday the 6th, February the 6th. Okay, let's look at GDS. Let's go ahead and get rid of this. Okay, let's go to the next one, which is GDS. Okay, so this one's still traded pretty good. Nothing there. CVS. Nothing here yet neither. All set. AEI. Okay, nothing yet here neither. This one does look pretty weak though. I might on this weekend do another update to get rid of this particular stock there. I don't like that. Let's go to Lindblad Expedition, LIND. Okay, so this one did hit our ultimate stop price. Target price. Let's see, what day was that on? At $19.23 on February the 6th. So $19.23. This occurred on February 6th as well. Okay, so now let's get rid of this. All right, so let's save it. Next one is Takeda Pharmaceutical. Okay, so that one did hit our sell pocket right there though, so I don't know, wouldn't be too bad to take some off the table with that one. But let's go on. HEHR test system. Okay, so that one sells pretty good too. PROF, Profound. Okay, nothing there. SAB Biotherapeutics, SABS. This one looks pretty good still too. Let's go to Starbucks. Okay, that looks very bullish. I like that. I like the strength that came into the market at Starbucks following that following week before it, with all that selling that came and hit the market. So that's good to see that. Vir Biotechnology, VIR. Okay, nothing there. Let's go to Climb Bio. CLYM. Okay, yeah, so that one still looks pretty bullish too. Very good to see that. Next one is BTI, British American Tobacco. Okay, so that one did hit all the price. We weren't that bullish on this market. Neither. 5.06%. Profits on Friday, 2 on the 6th. Let me see. This occurred on 4th. Okay. $62.19. $62.19. And I have it on the 4th. Next one is KMI. Let me get rid of this. Okay, now let's go to KMI. Okay, that one still looks pretty good. Banco Santander, BSBR. That's good there so far too. CFFN is the next one. Okay. And California Resources Corp. Okay, so that's it. Plus we got the one that we added for February, Simpson Manufacturing. All right, so we'll come back maybe this week, early next week, to do an update on these stocks to see if any other has hit our TP price, or do we need to release some of these from our portfolio? Because I think there's one I've seen that I didn't like that we might have to get rid of. But that's it. So let me know your guys' thoughts. Make sure you guys maintain profit. And as always, trade different.